mandatory quarantine is over. So, with this one. So we're going to go to Devil's Pulpit and then see where it takes us after that. Possibly up through the Trossachs to Callander and then back to here. And then we've got another few trips planned.
Yesterday, Craig agreed that when we have money at some point and land, we could get horses. So now it is not that far of a stretch to say also Highland Coots.
Let's note that I did say only if I was able to have an airstrip with a kit fox. But
so Highland Coots?
Maybe, depends how much land we've got. Airstrip takes priority. We missed an exit because I was not sorting camera issues whilst driving and missed the exit.
He so definitely was not doing that.
We're going to head through the Clyde Tunnel towards Devil's Pulpit. It's a little detour, but it has some nice sort of cityscapes around it.
It may have been the slightest bit my fault that we missed the exit because I couldn't figure out how to make the camera focus. It won't focus. It's very frustrating.
Okay, so we've arrived. It took us about 20 minutes to find a blooming parking space. We've got a short hike to Glenfinnig, which is otherwise known as the Devil's Pulpit.
I found it at the Memorial Day clearance at Art.
So this one, just full on soccer mummed me. We're having to walk along a B road which is like 60, and she stopped me from walking even though I could hear the cars behind us. Didn't you?
Okay, maybe not.
Run and jump. Across the road, down the hill, and hopefully we'll be able to get into the actual gorge.
We got a cool overview though, but it was like the edge was just tilting down and sloping like it was about to just go.
It's not a good day for my height anyway, so.
Yeah.
Okay, so it appears that I've lost some of the footage that was meant to go with this. If you want to get into the gorge but don't fancy taking the roped section that you saw, then if you continue along the path next to the gorge, about 5 minutes down this path, you will come to the end of the gorge. It'll flatten out and you can walk in from that end.
A new place, or maybe you're a nomad and you're moving, and suddenly you come onto this.
Hopefully you've enjoyed this. If you want to see the second part of our trip to the northwest coast, or the start of our northwest coast trip, then please hit that subscribe button. Consider giving the video a like and leave a comment on what you thought of the video. Until next time guys, keep it real, hunt that thrill.